this complete disaster of weak bones, a lot of weight, and a long spine. So it's very often that they'll either break their bones or they'll get a broken back or something like that. Natural lifespan, as I say, is 12 years. In sanctuaries, we try to get them to about 6. But because of all this that's gone on, as I said, it can be all sorts of things. Heather will probably do quite well. Heather's a very intelligent pig. Now, the animal you're looking at is the 4th most intelligent animal on the planet. They have the same cognitive ability as a 3-year-old human child. They have a language that consists of 30 different sounds that they use really quite effectively. Most of them say go away or feed me. No, you're much cleverer than that. And they have very, very sophisticated relationships. So sometimes they form cliques, sometimes they gang up on each other, sometimes I'm your best friend, sometimes I hate you, and all of this goes on. There's probably no other species you can think of that works like that, is there? But they're a very, very intelligent animal. They require a lot of stimulation. The worst thing you could possibly do to these animals is put them in a tiny crate where there's nothing to do, and it's exactly what we do, of course. Now also when you go in there, you'll see an incredibly clean animal. This is the only animal on the farm that never ever goes to the bathroom inside their house. So they always go outside to go to the bathroom, and inside it's kept very, very clean. Every other barn on the property is serviced every day. We do this barn once a month.
Wow.
So they keep a very, very clean house. So all this stuff about dirty, smelly pigs has only come about because we keep them in dirty, horrid environments.
Yeah.
Heather here actually makes sure that if anybody goes swimming, that they shake all the dust and water off before they go into the house. So she keeps a very, very clean house going. Yes, going as a smile. Yeah, a bit of a boring too. But there we are. Keeps the house clean, I guess.